This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 54 Demonstration XXI. JDBC allows Java applications to interact with databases by acting as a middleman that connects the application to the database server. It consists of three main components: the database management system, the JDBC driver, and the Java application itself. The MySQL connector serves as the JDBC driver for MySQL databases. It can be downloaded as a platform-independent zip file containing the necessary JAR file, which must be included in the Java application's class path to enable the connection. To establish a JDBC connection, a connection object is created, the driver is loaded, and the connection is established using the database URL, username, and password. This process is enclosed in a try-catch block for error handling, with any issues such as an incorrect password resulting in an appropriate exception. Once the connection is established, SQL statements can be executed through JDBC to perform database operations. For instance, creating a new table involves executing the corresponding SQL statement via a statement object obtained from the connection. Inserting records in a table is achieved by executing multiple INSE or T statements through the statement object, passing in the desired values for each record to be added. Updating records in a table is facilitated by executing an SQLUPDATE statement through JDBC, allowing modifications to existing data based on specified conditions. Similarly, deleting records from a table is accomplished by executing a DELETE statement with the appropriate condition, such as removing records with marks below a certain threshold. JDBC also enables executing multiple SQL statements within a single Java program, facilitating scenarios where different operations need to be performed sequentially or conditionally. In addition to modifying table data, JDBC supports dropping entire tables using the DROPABLE statement, permanently removing the table and its contents from the database. By specifying the appropriate URL, including the protocol resource name and port number, JDBC can connect to remote database servers, enabling Java application to interact with databases hosted on different systems, given the necessary access privileges. While JDBC simplifies database interaction for Java applications, handling the results of SQL execution within the Java application requires additional steps, which will be covered in a future session. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.